Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trade cards in Madden 23 Ultimate Team. Now, being able to trade requires for you to go into the Ultimate Team section of Madden 23 and go into the marketplace. We have used a website called the Nerd Stash for our information. So you're going to head over into marketplace and you have different things. You can use a team store, you've got different bundles, you've got different offers, training and gear. So all of these require in-game currency for you to have coins, for you to have Madden points, etc, etc. Most of these allow you to buy it for real money, but also some of these you can gain from just playing the game. You've also got the auction house, which you can buy and sell players, and you can auction them at a smaller price if you think you're lucky to get those. But ultimately, we're looking for something called the trade block, which you can find it inside the marketplace. And you're going to go into the My Team collection and click on trade. From here, you can select any players that you want, and then the other players. So let's say if you're exchanging with your friend or someone from around the world and you've agreed on a certain trade, you pick the players that you want to trade and they'll pick the players that they want to trade, and then you press the trade button, and then that way he gets your players and you're going to get your players as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.